In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use dual capture camera mode on iPhone 17. Let's get started. First, launch your camera app. Now set it to the video mode. Next, tap three dots in the top right corner of the screen to open additional camera settings. At the bottom of these options, select dual capture. Once dual capture mode is enabled, you will see a small window showing your front camera view, your back camera view filling the rest of the screen. You can drag the small front camera window to any corner so it does not block a shot. When you are ready, hit the record button. You can move the front camera window while recording, zoom in and out using the back camera just like normal. The two views are combined into one single video file, meaning the front camera window cannot be removed or repositioned after recording. When you play your video back, you'll see footage from both cameras displayed at the same time, perfect for reaction, demos, vlogs, and storytelling sort. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily use dual capture camera mode on iPhone 17. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.